case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1993, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania heard the case of Schreiber v. Olan Mills, which centered around the concept of mutual assent or a meeting of the minds, a requirement for a binding contract. The case involved a plaintiff, Schreiber, who received telemarketing calls from the defendant, Olan Mills. After 2 calls, Schreiber wrote a letter to Mills, requesting to be removed from their telemarketing list and warning that any future calls would be considered a request for his listening services at a stipulated rate. Despite not receiving a response to his letter, Schreiber received 2 more calls from Mills, a Tennessee-based corporation that operated a nationwide chain of family portrait studios and heavily relied on telemarketing. Schreiber subsequently sued Mills for the cost of his listening services. The trial court dismissed the case, and Schreiber appealed the decision. Ultimately, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania affirmed the trial court's dismissal, finding no basis for a contract in Schreiber's letter and no mutual assent between the parties. The court determined that an offer and acceptance were necessary to create a binding contract, and Schreiber's letter constituted a request to cease communication rather than an offer for his services.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.